Now I will take sixth problem. In a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeter, a design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle as shown in figure 12.24. Now it is equilateral triangle at the middle of the circle of radius 32 centimeter. You have to find the area of design. That means you have to find the area of all these three segments. And you know the formula for calculation of area of segment. Here you can make use of the other method of calculating area of design. What is that is area of circle minus area of equilateral triangle. We have to find area of these three segments. That means area of design it is. Total area of design is equal to area of circle minus area of triangle. Area of circle is pi r square. But side length of triangle here is not given. We can calculate what is the side length of equilateral triangle here by making use of angle and the available radius. But it will take lot of time, right? So instead of that, we'll go for direct formula only. But interesting thing is, now we have to calculate angle theta. Angle subtended by a chord at any point on the circle is equal to half the angle subtended by the same chord at center of circle. If it is theta here, it will be theta by 2. Or if here you have theta by 2, it is theta. Okay. Now if total angle here is 60, then it will be equal to 120. So this angle becomes now 120. If you draw an altitude like this 120 degree will be divided into two parts. Again you will have here 60 degree. I will redraw it here so that you can see it here properly. You all know that internal angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60 degrees, right? If it is center of circle, now this chord has subtended 60 degree at a point on circle. Therefore, this chord will subtend here, 120 degree, will subtend 120. Then what will be the angles at the vertices of this triangle here? Let us call this as OABC, vertices. Now here one more triangle is formed. What is that triangle? OAB. OAB is how much? Angle OAB is how much? This will be 30 degree. And you know this length, 32 centimeter. You can make use of trigonometry and you can find what is length AD. And D is midpoint. It's altitude here now. So it will bisect AB, because OAB is an isosceles triangle. OAB is an isosceles triangle. Then you can find what is AB. What is AB? AB will be nothing but side of this equilateral triangle. Then you can make use of this formula. Or if you want to make use of angle subtended by this chord at the center of circle, then you can make use of formula directly. I will write here. To find out A means the side length of equilateral triangle. Lot of time is required. So when chord length is not given, it is better to use segment formula. It is better to use segment formula. Next you write angle AOB subtended at the center of circle by the chord AB is two times angle ACB. 2 times angle ACB. Therefore, this is by theorem that you have studied in 9th standard. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to 2 into 60 degree. That is equal to 120 degree. Why I am writing 60 degree? It is angle in an equilateral triangle. Angle in an equilateral triangle. So this is theta for us. What is this? This is theta for us. Therefore, area of design is equal to 3 into area of one segment. That is equal to 3 into theta by 360 into pi r square minus r square cos theta by 2 into sin theta by 2. Now I will take 3 inside the bracket and simplify. 3 into 120 divided by 360 into 22 by 7. Also I will take 32 square outside the bracket minus 3 into cos 60 into sin 60. So this will be 3 into 120, 360, 360, 360 will cancel. We will have here 22 by 7 minus 3 into cos 60 is half, sin 60 is root 3 by 2. 32 square is 1024. So 22 by 7 minus 3 into root 3 divided by 4 into 1024. Taking LCM as 28. 88 minus 21 root 3 divided by 28 into 1024. Now we can cancel 28 and 1024. 2 14 ja, 2 512 ja, 2 7 ja, 256 ja. So 88 into 256 by 7 minus 21 by 7 into 256 into root 3. 7 1 ja, 7 3 ja. If we simplify further, we get 22528 divided by 7 minus 768 root 3 centimeter square.